Hello, welcome to StrataGridStudio, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to set up your task tracker template. So first, before we get started, there is sheet protection. So if you accidentally try to edit any cells that are headers or have any formulas, this display will come up and you'll just click X to close it out and don't touch those cells. So next we're going to enter our people for the task tracker. Now we're going to move over to the variable task sheet. So in this sheet, this is where you enter all of your one-off tasks. So first, you can see we have some visuals at the top, starting with 4 summary boxes. And you can come down and we have 3 charts just to give you an overview of your task. So now you can come down to the table, and this is where you enter all of your task information. And then there are several drop downs to make the process as simple as possible. So you have your category drop down, person drop down, status drop down, then priority drop down. And then of course remember to not edit any cells that are highlighted with color because those are formula cells. Now we're going to move over to the recurring task sheet. So on this sheet you're going to enter all of your recurring tasks. So first you can see we have visuals again. So we have the summary boxes, and then we have the charts. And then you scroll down, we have the table where you enter all of your tasks. So any cell that is color coded but it has a drop down, that means that you can edit that cell. Now we're going to move over to the recurring task schedule sheet. So this sheet just gives you a clean schedule of all your recurring tasks. So first you can come up to the top and there is a filter where you can filter by status, category, month, year, person, or priority. Next you're going to come down and you have the status column. This is where you change the status of all of your tasks. And then all of this information in the green, it should not be edited because it is display only. And then to the right, under the orange, you have any edits you want to make. So you can enter a new date, new priority, new person, or new category for each task if you would like. Now we're going to move over to the Kanban board sheet. This sheet allows you to see your task by status. So first we're going to come up to the top and there's a filter, so you can filter by due date or by person. So next you're going to want to come down to these headers, and these are all dynamic headers, so you can click on any one of them and then click whichever status you want to display for each one of them. Now we're going to move over to the monthly calendar sheet. So first, to set up this sheet, you're going to want to come up to the top and enter your year, month, and then your desired start date. Then to the right you have your filter, so you can filter by task, status, category, priority, and then by person. And then now, as you can see, this displays all of your tasks on a clean calendar display. Now we're going to move over to the weekly calendar sheet. So first you're going to come over to the start date cell and enter your desired start date. Then you want to come over to the right and you have your filters. So you can filter by category, priority, or by person. And then now everything is on a clean daily display over a week time frame. Now we're going to move over to the dashboard sheet. So first, at the top, we have an overall task completed progress bar. Then below that, we have a task completed percentage, task by priority, task by category, and then task by person chart. So then to the right, we have a due today table, and this just displays all the tasks due today. And then we have another table that is tasks due soon. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message.